Dale, my partner, found this treasure hunting Slo toy iron. He wants me to clean it up using electrolysis, so I'm going to take a video shot of it before, and we're going to take a video shot after. It's pretty heavy. Nice little toy, turn of the century, found locally. Dale was using it in his V3i white metal detector when he found it. He was using it in relic mode. He also found a little lock that we might try to clean. The lock is pretty toasted, but we might try to clean it up also, see if we could recover some of the information that's barely visible on the top here. So electrolysis is the method, a little salt, electricity, and time, and we'll see what happens. Pretty cute. Also, I haven't been out myself. My XP Deus controller took a dump on the upload. When I did an update, it crashed it, so I had to send it back for repairs. I received it. It's working okay now. It was still under the 5-year warranty, and I don't know why it crashed, but the company supported it and rebooted it and returned it. So I'm back in service. The weather's starting to change. It's end of September. We'll start treasure hunting again, and hopefully I'll be able to post some more videos. Right now I've pretty much been busy doing other projects. We're going to go ahead and put some sea salt in it. Got my stainless steel tab, stainless steel wire iron wrapped in the aircraft wire to keep the current circulating. Okay, the salt's in there. We got some hot water to dissolve the sea salt. There she goes. Let's check it in a couple hours. Pretty nasty looking stuff. Okay, it came out pretty good. About 4 hours. Now we're going to do some micro bead blasting and give it a shot. Next phase of the project is the bead blast, the little iron. I have a micro bead blaster. Here's a before shot before we start bead blasting. You can see the electrolysis removed a lot of the heavy caked on rust. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Couple little spots right here that I've been hit, and over here. Looks pretty good. It's pretty much done. Now I'm just going to put some oil on it to preserve it. I treated it with some gun oil. Works pretty good to reduce rust. The little toy iron is totally restored. Okay, the lock is done. Came out pretty good considering it was almost rusting away. So all I have to do is oil it and we'll be good.